My pension better be up 44% over the next 2 years, and I'll tell you why. Because I think whilst I've put this 44% up over 11 months, 4 weeks, well, 12 months, I'll give myself 2 years. Now, ideally, I want more than that in a year. But when I start a year, and we're getting ready to start for the next year and the planning, I'll set myself a 2 year goal because I know that if I achieve that in 1 year, fantastic. It means the market's blown the doors off. Now, for that to happen, I would anticipate that one of two things will happen. Okay. First of all, either we might get this fall, so-called daddy bear, where the short and long-term prices just start falling, in which case we'll end up holding cash in one of those 2 years. And then the second year you get the rebound and we'll make the return, that 44% over 2 years this way. Okay. It could be that we just make it all 1 year. The alternative is that the average prices keep going up and up and up, and we make it, well, like you can see it in 1 year, but then the second year is when you get holding cash, right? So either you're going to get, of course, in between could happen as well. You could just get sideways market and you eke out 22% this year, 22% the year after, right? But the most probable is I think 60% it's going to be this. You get the 44 first and then the zero, or you get the zero. That's the remainder will be the zero or and then the 44. So I think the continuation of this is going to be the first one. But either way, we're prepared and we're fine, and I can take that. That's what we're getting ready for. And we'll get that partly from maybe just the index tracker, maybe a leverage on the index tracker as well, just to make sure we really get it and nail it. And obviously some of it from the stocks we anticipate, which will be part of that. Anyway, if you want to improve your pension and want to learn some free resources and education from a hedge fund manager, alpeshpatel.com/links. And the link is in the bio as well. Lots of free resources. Have a look at my campaign for $1million.com as well. Don't forget to like and follow. Really helps the algorithm. Thank you.